Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to create your document so that it is MLA formatted. So one of the first things you need to do is you want to make sure that your font size and your font style is MLA. And so you can use 11 or 12. I prefer 12, and you can use Arial or you can do Times New Roman. So I'm just going to switch it to Times New Roman. The document should already be set up with having 1-inch margins, so you should not need to bother with that if you are using a Google Doc. One of the first steps after that is to go to create a header. So what I'm going to do is double click up here at the top of the document, and you can see that there's a header. Now mine is aligned to the left. If yours is not aligned to the left, when you double click on it, come up to align and align to the left. And I also want to make sure that my header is the same font size and style. So I'm going to switch this over here to make it so that it's the same as the rest of the document. Now I'm coming to options and I can go to page numbers. I'm going to start at 1 and show it on the first page. So I will go select apply, and then I'm going to move my cursor over to the left side of the number and write the last name. And then I'm all set with the header, so I will click out of it by clicking on the document below. And you can see that my cursor comes over here. All right, the next step is to make sure that this is a double-spaced document. So we're going to go to double space. If it's not on double space, you're going to select double here. Now you're going to write your name. And so I'm just going to go ahead and write Alfonso. Oops. Okay, so then I'll hit enter, or mine says return, yours might say enter, and then I'll write the teacher's name, all right, and then after that you need to write your period number, your course title, and the due date. And you need to notice how it is written with the number of the month, and then the year. Now we need to hit return or enter on your keyboard. And it should show that it's double spaced after that. And from here, we are going to space align to the center. So you have to come up to the top and you select center. And then you're going to write some sort of title. So we'll say essay title. Oops. After this, you're going to go to the next line, but we don't want it to be centered. So now we have to come back up to the alignment, and we are going to align to the left. Now, for MLA, we need to indent. So you need to hit the tab key 1 time, and then you've got your paragraph is indented. Then you write your introduction paragraph. And I want to point out here that I had used the tab key, and as I was writing, I just kept writing and it automatically goes to the next line. And then I come down, I'm at the end. And I need to go to my new paragraph because this is my thesis statement at the end here. Hook, transition, thesis statement. And now I'm ready for my first body paragraph. So so after you write the last word and you have your period, then you're just going to hit enter or return, and it will automatically indent it for you because at the beginning you hit the tab key and now you have an indent. One thing I want to point out is everything is evenly double spaced. There's no extra spaces above the title or below the title. The title is the same size font. And now I don't have any extra spaces here between the paragraphs. In addition, after you are writing, when you get to the next page, you'll see because you set up the header, it will automatically include your last name and the page number only. All right, so go ahead and set up that document.